Dina. See, we can see Eiffel Tower. So Eiffel Tower is visible from everywhere from Paris city. Wherever we go, Eiffel Tower follows. So it is like that. That is the mega structure. So we never. So I have to take this train from 10 train, a metro train, and I am at Javel Andre Citroën. So I have to get down at Odeon, and from there I have to change train. So this is Javel Andre Citroën stop. So every metro stop is like that. See how beautiful it is. Very spacious. So entire train can fit in this stop. So and we can see 2 minutes is next train, and after that 6 minutes another train. So now it is only 1 minute. So every 4-5 minutes train will come. So after night, so that frequency will reduce, but still it is excellent. So my train is coming. I have to get down at Odeon. I'm a training this one. So Odeon is my next stop in this beautiful metro train number 9. We got down at Odeon stop. So next we have to go to Châtelet. So now I am at Odeon. I have to go to Châtelet. So yeah, see the tires. Tires. This is metro tires. Metro train is running on tires. This is very typical in the train. So we got down from this metro number 4 at Etany Marcel. I am going to Girdhar's restaurant. So he is working in a restaurant, French restaurant, where they make burgers, very famous burgers. So I am going to his restaurant. So people are enjoying. Today is Saturday. So Saturday night, evening, night. So they are enjoying outside restaurants. ఇక్కడ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఆయన వర్క్ ప్లేస్ తీసుకొచ్చిండు. చూడండి అని. సో ఒక 10-15 మినిట్స్ కూర్చొని కోక్ తాగి రెస్టారెంట్ హోటల్ ఇది. వెరీ ఫేమస్ ఫర్ బర్గర్స్. 4 ఉన్నాయి ప్యారిస్ ఇటువంటి. సో ఎక్సలెంట్ రెస్టారెంట్ ఫర్ బర్గర్స్, ఫ్రైస్ అండ్ I have spent almost 30 minutes in Rumi's restaurant actually, where my friend, new friend, just one day friend, Giri works. So I went to his home, I had lunch, and I have taken like 4 hours rest, and I had tea around 7 o'clock, and we left his home and we went to his restaurant where he works. In Rumi's, he works like 20 hours per week. So as he is studying in Paris, so he's doing MBA. He's from Vijayawada. See the restaurants. Excellent place. So just people are enjoying the nice outside weather. It is almost like 8:20 p.m., 8:30 p.m. But still we can see plenty of sunshine. So my plan is to see Eiffel Tower in the lights. So night means 9:30 p.m. I have to wait. So I will go to Châtelet, Les Halles, and spend some time there. And then from there, around 9:30-10, I go to Eiffel Tower. Spend maybe 15-20 minutes there. Enjoy the lights, and I go back to my room, hostel, because tomorrow early morning, 6 o'clock, I have to wake up because my train is at 8:20 to Geneva from Gare de Lyon. So see the vibes, restaurants, people enjoying their weekend. I have been told that I should be very careful with the phone here because thieves. This is the Les Halles stop. So there are several metros connected to this stop. I will take 14 metro. Beautiful fountain here in Les Halles, Châtelet, Les Halles. See the people. So excellent square, one more square. So wherever we go, so I see excellent Paris. So this is the best shopping mall in a beautiful design. So I am having only 2 days in Paris. Wanted to stay more, but 2 days I have covered some places, very important places. So even 1 week is not enough in Paris. Going towards metro number 14. So just I want to go to Paris Stadium. So where they have conducted Olympic Games. for that I have to take 14 number metro and I have to take like travel 8 stops. Then I reach Saint Denis Pleyel where the Stade de France is located. So I just go there, maybe spend 10-15 times and come back whenever there is dark to watch Eiffel Tower in the night. So you can see this is Châtelet Les Halles. This is the most busiest metro station or train station in entire France. So there are several metro lines connected, RER lines are connected, and other long distance trains are also connected. This is Paris metro map, metro and RER map. So excellent. So I am here, Châtelet Les Halles. I am here. So I am coming from Auschwitz Gare where I have first day I came from London. So Gare East I went yesterday by bus. So all the important, very important places in central Paris. This is the most busiest and beautiful station. It is a several lines, metro lines, RER merge here. This is Châtelet Les Halles. So I have last visited in the year 2005. So 2003, I think 5. So again I am visiting after 20 years. This is Châtelet Les Halles. How many lines connected? RER A, B, D, Metro 4 and Metro 1, Metro 14, 4 minutes walk. Metro 7 and 11, another 7 minutes walk. Metro 14. So I take Metro 14, so which is 4 minutes walk. I am going towards Metro number 14, so it is just 4 minutes walk. So I have to take this route. This is Metro number 1, 4, 14, 7, 11. All I have to use this. So I am taking Metro number 14. So we should be very careful. Here police are checking the tickets. So always we have to use proper ticket. So I am going towards M14. That is Metro 14. 4 minutes walk. So they will fine. You can see police station inside Châtelet Les Halles because this is very busy train station in entire France, maybe entire Europe. One of the top busiest train stations. So because there are plenty lines are connected here. So I am going to Stadium de France Stadium. So I will take Metro 14. So it is 8 stops. Saint Denis I have to get down. So here at Châtelet. So this is 14, line number 14, Saint Denis. So I have to go to Saint Denis Pleyel. So where the stadium is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th stop. I have to get down at it. My train is next 2 minutes. So it is 8:49 p.m. So first train is coming. Train number 14. My train. So I have to just take 8 stops to Saint Denis. This is driverless metro. Metro number 14. You can see. This is the stop. So no driver. I am just standing in front. I have to get down at last stop. That is Saint Denis Pleyel. So almost over like 8 stops. So this is the metro. Entire train is empty because it is 9 o'clock. So that's why it is last stop Saint Denis Pleyel. So this is a beautiful train. Line number 14 metro is automatic. Got down from this train M14 terminus. So I have to go to now stadium, Olympic Stadium in France, Paris. From here airport connection is also there. So information about different metro lines, RER and trams. So this is the plan of here station. It is a beautiful station. So map, plan, everything, and it is transport, RER and metro, transport, buses, trams, everything here. So this line number 14. So airport also goes to airport d'Orly. You can see from Saint Denis Pleyel, this metro goes directly to Orly airport. So return I have to get down at Bercy and I have to change 6. Either I have to take metro 6 or I will see if possible RER. I will take Saint Denis Pleyel station M14 on the line. M14 is the metro line. See how beautiful it is. It is newly constructed metro line, metro stop station. See the hotel H4, and I think they are also planning to extend metro like 15, 17, 16, 17, 18. I don't know, they have put map here. So because the big station, I think they are planning to extend. So see it. It is 9 p.m. Still we can see plenty of sunlight. So from here it is showing like 1.5 kilometers stadium. So I will see if I can get bus. Otherwise it is tough to walk. 1.5 going and 1.5 coming. So it is very much energy consuming because I have to spend like at least 30 minutes at Eiffel Tower. So don't want to spend my too much energy on walking. So but this is beautiful, excellent Saint Denis Plael. So wherever we go, we see excellent buildings, excellent trees, excellent neighborhoods. So I'm just exploring Paris like anything I never done before. I've just used metro, but now I'm exploring using buses, seeing neighborhoods, experiencing neighborhoods. Walk like 1 kilometer, then have to take a bus, then go there and again walk 1 kilometer bus and walk 1 kilometer. So I don't want to spend too much time and energy. So I'm just going back to metro. So I will take metro 14 and then I will change to metro 6 and then I directly go to Eiffel Tower. So to view night in the night. So instead of taking metro, I thought it would be better to take RER. So this is RER stop station in this place. So Saint Denis. So I'm just planning to take RER train D, RER D from here, and I will get on Gare du Stade de France Saint Denis. That means stadium, France Stadium, Saint Denis. So this is RER D station. So now I take RER D to go to Central Paris Châtelet. I can see the train. So I'm just running before doors closes. So otherwise I have to wait another 10 minutes maybe because it is after 9 p.m. and it is RER. Made into the train, this train. So I know now go all the way to Châtelet.